Hello folks, it's Mark Sugar here at Dodge City in Saskatoon, Saskatchewan, Canada, on the corner of 8th Street East and Preston Avenue. We got something special for you here today. It is the Ram Rebel, brand new, and this is the GT package. So, looks the same since 2019 with the mustache grille at the front, the skid plates on the bottom with the recovery tow hooks, the fog lamps. You got your parking sensors on the front right there. Sports performance hood on this one here, and we do notice it does have the 5.7 liter Hemi engine. This one has the E-Tourque on there, as you can tell by the badging. A little more aggressive tires on this one here, so you get an 18-inch rim with that big aggressive rubber on there, and you get some fender flares on here. You have your choice of having monotone, so all the same color, or you can have this black paint on the bottom there, black badging. You can get blind spot monitoring. This is the crew cab. The crew cab in the new body style has 4 extra inches there. No more cap here. You can get a spray-in bed liner. We can also add that after. Here's the new GT badging on there. We put some mud flaps on this one as they don't come from factory like that. Rebel badging, dual exhaust on there, parking sensors on the back. We have a hitch on this one here, 5'7" bed. Okay, let's get in the inside. I bet you want to see what's different about the GT, right? Okay. This part's blacked out as well. GT badging. All right. First, let's go in the back. Of course, we can add running boards on this one if you need here. Nice suede in here, black. Full leather on this one here. Cup holders here, power window here. Stereo speakers in the back there. iPad will fit perfectly right in here. So no heated seats in the back here or air-cooled seats. You can get that. You can get air-cooled seats on a Ram in the higher trim levels. All right, and where's the window sticker on this one here? Let's have a look in the inside. Proximity keyless entry. Let's get inside. Okay, memory seats here. 4-way lumbar adjust system here. All your power. All weather mats here, power pedals here, electronic emergency brake. This is your lights for and the dimmer for your lights here, and for your 12-inch stereo there. I see some GT badging here as well. Adjust your seat headrest however you like. Okay, let's get inside here. Let's have a peek. Just got this one in. Push button start here. 12-inch screen. There's something different there. So there's no knob right here, right? You still have your hill descent control, your axle lock, your 4 auto. They never had this in the Rebels before. 4 high, 4 low, 2-wheel drive, automatic stop start, so you can turn it on, turn it off. What's this? Paddle shifters. Never had that before in the Ram Rebels or Sports. So this GT package is available in the Sport or the Rebel. So something different here. So the other ones, this whole console would move front and back. So now you can't. It's locked in place. You got your gear shifter right there, and feels pretty solid. 4 previous generations of Ram right here. Or wait, they got the TRX on there now? Well, they used to have only 4. Now there's 5. Oh, that's awesome. Look at the suede inserts on the seats here now. Full leather. 2 glove boxes, one up there, one down below here. Okay, so Alpine stereo system. Put your glasses there. No panoramic sunroof on this one. That's okay, we don't need it. Home link system, so you can open your garage door from there. Okay, but yeah, so there's a good look right there. The paddle shifters, the gear shifter right there. Some people, they just don't like it. They think that when you're using this, you're gonna mix it up between the volume and this. It's not going to happen. It's not going to be letting you drive on the highway, and it's not going to let you change gears, nothing. It's electronic. It's in there. One time when I got home with a brand new truck, I was so excited about it. I forgot to put it in park, so I just shut the vehicle off. It was still in drive, and it knew what I was doing, so it just automatically electronically went to park. So you're not going to mess anything up there. So you can get buttons such as self park and lane keep assist. You can get extra options like a trailer brake controller here. You can get wireless charging here, but so that's, I just want to see what the difference is between the GT, which is this, and the badging and the paddle shifters and cold air intake. And where's the window sticker for this? I think it'll say what else is on the GT package. Yeah, here it is. Okay, so I'll just read you what the GT package gets you. All right, here's the GT package right here. So that gets you the leather trimmed vinyl bucket seats, the under seat lighting, which I haven't seen yet, Mopar cold air intake system, the GT decals, the passive cold end exhaust, the leather wrapped steering wheel, the GT interior theme, radio, driver's seat, mirrors and pedals, memory seating, power adjustable pedals with memory, Mopar bright pedal kit. Oh, so I didn't show you that. So there you go, nice Ram badging on there, the pedal kit, front ventilated seats, which I didn't know you could get on the Ram Rebels. So it's saying front ventilated seats. So before, when you get full leather, you wouldn't get the air cooled seats in the Rebel. So it looks like they finally did that in 2022. And then, so this one, you can build a Ram Rebel in 2022 for $66,995. You add the GT package, and you add level 2 equipment group, which is very popular. Add the E-Tourque and Alpine speakers and the 12-inch screen with the new Uconnect 5 with 12-inch display, and all that will add up to $77,670. There's your warranty, and the warranty is 5 years or 100,000 kilometers in Canada, whichever expires first. That's with 24-hour roadside assistance. Here's your fuel economy. So in Canada, in the city, it's about 13 liters per 100 kilometers. On the highway, it's about 10, and that combines to be about 12 or 23 miles per gallon. Okay, guys, so there is the window sticker and the GT package. So I know a lot of people are going to be fans of this. We saw it with the TRX. There it is, paddle shifters, GT decals. Let's go outside, take one last look at this beauty truck here, Ram Rebel. Amazing. And we're at Dodge City in Saskatoon once again. I'm Mark Sugar here, and you can ask for me. You can go to my webpage at marksugardrives.com, dodgecityauto.com, and happy to help you out. And this is where we are, right here, Dodge City. My desk is right in here, so come and visit. And that's all for now. Please like this video, share this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel, because I'm doing Ram, Jeep, Chrysler, Dodge videos all day. I mean, often. Okay, see you in the comment section. Bye for now.